named #1 in the Cocktails for Food Lovers Top 5 Best Restaurant Countdown. Tempt, the Saint Hotel's brilliantly seductive restaurant, envelops you in intimate, heavenly comfort. If you came to Key West hoping to experience something new, Tempt is the thing. There's nothing ordinary about Tempt, and it begins at their Burgundy Bar, starring a Bloody Mary, ranked among the top 10 in the world. With a Bloody Mary this good, Tempt is naturally home to one of the best brunches on the island. A brilliant chef, a gorgeous setting, and a genius mixologist behind the bar. What could go wrong here? Go ahead, tempt yourself. Tempt Restaurant in the Burgundy Bar at the Saint Hotel. Even the directions are sexy. Just cross the street from Marilyn Monroe, half block off Duval, on Eaton Street, up the red carpet, beyond the sexy red door, in the sexy Saint Hotel.